Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2016 Chrysler 300 and we're going to do the Chrome Delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how it looks before the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material to match the vehicle. Link for the product will be down in the description below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. Okay, so before starting the installation we want to make sure we clean each panel that we're going to install. So all you need is slip solution, a microfiber towel, and then just remove any contaminants that each panel might have. So to start off, you just want to match this edge onto the edge of this chrome piece here. So it's just aligning it right on the edge. And once you have it there, you're just going to work your way to installing the rest of the film. With this one, you can use the bottom half of the chrome panel as a guide of where you're going to align the bottom piece. So as long as you're covering most of the chrome underneath, it should be fine. And the rest you could either trim or tuck in. So just make sure it's aligned. And you are going to have excess material here. This material you could either tuck in or trim off and then just seal it with heat. So once you install it, make sure everything is flat. If there are some sections where the film isn't flat, just lift the film and squeegee it. That way it gets flat. And then if you need to lift the film again to restart, you can. Just make sure when you're lifting you don't accidentally pull the film, because then you might tear the film. So just lift a bit and then take it down. And now just with your squeegee everything flat. And then if you're tucking in with this one, just tuck in around the curve. And if you're trimming off with your blade, just be careful not to scratch the chrome. You could do either or. You could trim or tuck in. Once you have most of the film tucked in and everything is flat and tacked down, grab your heat gun and start heating all around the edge. That way the film starts tacking down to the panel you're working on. And then any excess material that you have, for example right here, this one, just grab your blade and just trim it off. And then the same steps that we did with this one, you would just rinse and repeat on this one. So you just start off on that end, work your way, tack it down, and just tuck in any material that you have underneath here. You do have a good amount of space to tuck in, or you could trim as well, and then just trim off the excess material. Now when it comes to this rear piece, we recommend installing it from this end first and making your way to the top edge here, due to the fact that it's a different shape than the rest of them. So just make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the chrome underneath. And once you have it ready, that's just doing the same thing, following it along. If you need a lift on the line, you can, and just continue with the curve. Once you have everything tacked down, now it's just tacking down the rest of the film. Anything you can tuck in, just tuck in, or if not, just trim it off. But if you do feel that you want to trim the film, you can. It's just personal preference. And now just grabbing your heat gun and going all across the film to seal it. And now you just finish off the last piece here.